first time you hear a blast, you'll be looking, you'll be listening. It's really interesting. It is exciting to see a blast, and there's always anticipation there. That never changes. Geology is very variable. You're trying to understand what happened all these hundreds of millions of years ago, and what did happen can affect the quality of the materials you use and what the quality of the end product is. Maps are kind of incredibly important just to link everything together, so we've got a really good understanding of the huge amount of data we've got.
GIS is really helpful with visualizing the data around you. It even allows for a lot of analytics, so we can calculate magnesium in the ground compared to iron in a specific location. So it lets us see those things that aren't necessarily visible in your normal day-to-day life. We can take data and we can store it on the cloud in ArcGIS Online in an app that lets them see it, lets them take it out into the field with them instead of taking out a giant A0 map, for example.
GIS makes data available. It's kind of a little bit like making a cake, and it's really important to understand the quality of all of your different ingredients. The app really does help. It means we can actually take that map out into the field and see the ground beneath our feet, to look at the blast that's about to be fired and the quality of the rock that we're about to blast, and to see the chemistry, really getting an understanding. It's freeing up potentially hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of information and just putting it into the hands of the people that need to use it every day.
We have to know exactly how much material we're blasting at any one point so that we know how much explosive to use. We have to know where our lorries are on site, where our diggers are, whether it's going to be safe or dangerous. So data is at the fundamental of our quarrying business. So the quarry apps allow us to see a 2D view and a 3D view of what the data is that's underneath our quarry, but overlaid on top of the land. That allows us to see what the mineral content is where that point was drilled. Or we can see the difference between magnesium in the ground compared to iron in a specific location. We're using less fuel, less people going out and driving around our site to conduct this analysis. So the use of the quarry app has actually allowed us to become more sustainable. Our quarry managers were astounded by how easily this makes that data that was once just stored in a spreadsheet available to be seen in front of them and take out into the quarries.
It really helps get the understanding and collaboration working.
We're moving forward. We're moving towards having everything available digitally. We definitely don't want to step back to using paper maps.
The scale of what we're doing at Tunstead and on some of our other sites, it's got phenomenal scope to improve, and I'm really excited to see kind of where it does go with our other quarries and other sites. It's bringing a lot more data to life for us now, and that's been really invaluable.